Yo, what's going on? Miguel here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the 5 reasons why you need to be sending daily emails to your email list. The reason why I felt like making this video is important because I know a lot of people are scared at the idea of sending daily emails, or they don't know that they should be doing this. So I'm going to make this video real quick and clear all of this up. The first reason why you want to make sure you're sending your email list an email every single day is so that you stay at the top of their mind. There are millions of offers, there are millions of influencers, and every single one of your customers or leads is on tons of email lists, especially considering that most people don't unsubscribe from old email lists. They just let it pile up, so which means their inbox lists are just filled to the brim with stuff. So if you want to stay on the top of that person's mind, if you want to make sure that they do not forget about you as a person, as a business, then you need to be sending them an email every single day. The second reason why you want to make sure that you're sending people emails every single day is because what marketers, all the researchers, the old research marketers found out is that it takes on average about 7 sales touches to actually get someone to take an action, whether it be a lead or a seller, whatever that means. And what this means is that on average, a person isn't just going to buy something the first time that you bring it up to them. You are going to have to bring it up to them at least 7 times, and they're not going to see your email every single day, which means you need to be sending emails every single day so that you can shorten the amount of time it takes for them to see your offer 7 times. Sometimes it may take more, sometimes it may take less. But if you are not sending emails every single day, you dramatically increase the amount of time that it's going to take to get someone to take whatever action it is that you want them to take. And in most business cases, that is buying something. So if you want them to buy stuff from you, you're going to need to send them an email every single day. The third reason why you want to send daily emails is because it gives you more chances to give value. Now, if you're doing it right, and I can make a video about the different types of emails that you can be sending to your list, so if you want that, go ahead and leave a comment down below. By sending daily emails, you give yourself more opportunity to give value. Because it's the whole Gary Vee thing, like jab, 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 right hook, that does still apply to emails. You don't want every single email to be a hard pitch. You want them to enjoy opening your email. So you want there to be some sort of flair in terms of how entertaining it is, or maybe it is something that actually gives them advice. Or in a lot of cases, you should be making some sort of content like YouTube videos or something like that. Or freebies or something like that. So you should be sending them emails where it's like, hey, there's this video that you can check out. Has nothing to do with sales. You're just sending them an email to let them go ahead and check out your YouTube video. So by sending your list daily emails, you basically just gave yourself another way of getting your social media presence a little boost by sending your list to that. You're sending traffic. You're not letting it just be organic. You're taking that power back. That is the beauty of an email list. You're taking that power back. You're not leaving the power into the ether and just letting everything be organic. You're being much more proactive about it. So that is the third reason. Reason number 4 why you want to do this is because majority of people, like I said, are scared to do this. Most people won't send their email list, a daily email, out of fear of them having a bad taste in their mouth about it. But you got to keep in mind, dude, One, like I said before, these emails should be valuable. They should be looking forward to it because they're getting deals or freebies or updates on videos, stuff like that. So it's not like they should hate getting your emails. But on top of that, every single one of your emails should have an unsubscribe feature at the bottom of it. So it's not like you're forcing them to stay around. At any point, they are welcome to leave. They are welcome to exit. If they're like, I'm tired of getting these emails, I would like to leave. Like, that's fine. But the last thing you want to do is be so obsessed with trying to get your email list, your email list subscriber rate, or the amount of subscribers you have to stay at such a high number, but you're not even talking to them or you're barely marketing to them. The whole point of having an email list is to market to them. So most people are going to be scared and they're not going to do it, which means they're not going to be in the customer's inbox nearly as much as you will be. So if you are sending daily emails, that means you're cleaning up, you're making sales, you're getting more leads, you're getting much more people going to your YouTube videos or your Instagram or whatever it is that you're sending them to, while the competition is busy waiting a couple of days before they send their next email. All right. So if your competition isn't doing it, you get to clean up. And the last reason why you want to be sending daily emails, and this is more of a benefit for the person who is actually writing those emails, you're going to get better at copy so fast, especially if you're not just doing it for yourself. If you are someone who writes email copy on behalf of other people, that means you're going to be writing 365 emails every single year, most likely more. Plus, if you just add on another person that you do it for, or three, or however many, you're writing like close to 600 to 1,000 emails, 600, maybe 900 emails every single year. Like, you don't think you're going to get better at copy? Like, sure. Like, if you look at your emails from when you first started compared to at the end of a couple of months of doing this, you're gonna be like, oh, this is a drastic difference. So if you were ever wondering what is a way I can get better at writing copy, daily emails. It's a really quick. You need to be able to pitch something really fast, get someone to click on something really quick, get to the point, draw their attention, get to the point, inspire some sort of emotion inside of them, and then get them to take an action every single day. And you should be split testing while you're going along this. So you should be trying different angles, different sales pitches, different ways of speaking. So all the way you're figuring out exactly what messages resonate with this email audience. All right. So it's a really good way to get better at writing copy. And these are the 5 reasons why you need to be writing daily emails, why you should be sending daily emails to your list. Because I promise you, most people aren't going to do it. So you might as well be the one that does it so you can clean up. All right. It's free marketing too. Once you get that lead, you might as well market to them like crazy, right? So that concludes this video. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you want more business content like this, and I will definitely make it. So catch you in the next video. Peace.